Welcome to Gadget Explained. Today's review of the Ekster Father's Day bundle, a gift that aims to impress. Today, we'll take a closer look at its features, specifications, and performance, offering objective insights while sharing our opinions on both the positive aspects and potential drawbacks. Let's start with the Ekster Parliament, the star of the bundle. This bifold minimalist wallet is crafted from LWG certified leather, ensuring both style and sustainability. With dimensions of 4.1 by 2.5 by 0.4 inches and weighing just 94 grams, it's a lightweight accessory that won't weigh you down. The Parliament wallet integrates several features, including RFID blocking panels, 2 inner pockets, an external pocket, and a non-removable rubber band money clip. Its built-in aluminum card holder with a nifty card ejector mechanism allows for quick and effortless card access. Depending on the type of cards, the wallet can potentially hold up to 9 cards. Now, let's move on to the Ekster aluminum card holder. Crafted entirely from 6061T6 aluminum, this card holder offers a sleek and durable design. Measuring 0.29 by 4.1 by 2.3 inches and weighing 95 grams, it's a pocket-friendly companion. Just like the Parliament wallet, it features the same impressive card ejector mechanism. The card holder can hold up to 6 non-embossed cards or 4 embossed cards. What sets it apart is the inclusion of a removable metal backplate. Held securely in place by a detachable elastic fabric band, the card holder can accommodate up to 6 embossed cards and a few banknotes. The textured inner side of the elastic fabric band adds extra security. Now, let's discuss the innovative Ekster Tracker card. This super slim card measures only 3.4 by 2.1 by 0.1 inches and weighs a mere 14 grams. Powered entirely by solar energy, it utilizes advanced Bluetooth tracking technology. Paired with the Ekster mobile app on iOS 11 Plus or Android 5.0 Plus devices, it offers a range of convenient features. You can locate your lost wallet within a 60-meter range and even ring your phone if it goes missing. The tracker card also doubles as a Bluetooth remote shutter for capturing selfies. Please note that the effectiveness of the tracker card may be influenced by factors such as distance and obstructions. Lastly, let's take a look at the Ekster cash clip. Made of mirror shiny metal, this money clip measures 2.6 by 1.1 by 0.5 inches. Its slimline glossy design provides a minimalist and sleek way to carry banknotes, as well as cards, up to 3, depending on thickness. Keep in mind that carrying a thick wad of cash may not be suitable with this clip. In conclusion, the Ekster Father's Day bundle offers a blend of style and functionality. With the Ekster wallet and tracker card providing security and convenience, and the cash clip offering an elegant way to carry cash without a wallet, it's a gift that truly delivers. So, if you're looking for a thoughtful present that combines practicality and sophistication, the Ekster Father's Day bundle might just be the perfect choice.